What if every single movement in a World Cup match could be tracked in real time? Not just the ball, but every player's position, speed, and decision at every second of the game. Modern football is no longer only about what happens in front of the camera. Behind the scenes, advanced tracking systems are capturing data from every corner of the pitch, turning live matches into streams of real-time intelligence. From tactical analysis to performance monitoring and even broadcast automation, real-time player tracking is changing how football is understood at the highest level. In this video, we break down how this technology works during the FIFA World Cup, how it tracks players and the ball simultaneously, and why it is becoming one of the most powerful systems in modern sport. 1. Football has entered the real-time data era. Football is no longer just a visual sport where performance is judged after the match ends. It has now entered the real-time data era, where every second of play is analyzed instantly. During a World Cup match, every player's movement is tracked continuously from kickoff to full-time. This means coaches, analysts, broadcasters, and even referees are no longer relying only on what they see. Instead, they receive live information about positioning, speed, spacing, and tactical structure as the game unfolds. This shift has completely changed how football is studied and understood. Matches are no longer just watched. They are measured, processed, and interpreted in real time using advanced tracking systems. Modern stadiums are equipped with optical tracking cameras and sensor-based technologies that map every player's coordinates across the pitch. These systems generate millions of data points per match, allowing teams to break down patterns that were previously invisible to the human eye. Even off-the-ball movement, pressing intensity, and defensive shape are now quantifiable. This real-time intelligence is also shared with broadcasting systems, enhancing live coverage with tactical overlays, heat maps, and predictive insights. Fans are no longer passive viewers. They're exposed to deeper analytical layers that explain what is happening beyond the ball. As a result, football has evolved into a fusion of sport, science, and data engineering. 2. How real-time player tracking actually works. Real-time player tracking works by using a combination of cameras, sensors, and artificial intelligence. Multiple high-position cameras around the stadium constantly follow every player on the pitch. These systems detect body movement, direction, and speed, converting physical motion into digital data. At the same time, the ball is also tracked continuously, allowing the system to understand the relationship between players and the ball at every moment. This creates a full digital model of the match that updates in real time. The result is not just video footage, but structured data that shows exactly how the game is developing second by second, including team shape, spacing, and movement patterns. This data is processed through advanced machine learning algorithms that identify patterns such as pressing triggers, defensive gaps, and attacking transitions. The system can detect when a team shifts formation or when a player breaks a tactical line, giving analysts immediate insight into strategic changes. In many cases, this information is delivered within seconds to coaching staff on the sidelines, allowing them to adjust tactics during the match itself. Broadcast systems also use this tracking data to enhance viewer experience. Heat maps, passing networks, and live tactical diagrams are generated automatically and overlaid on the broadcast feed. This transforms football coverage into an interactive analytical experience, where viewers can visually understand why certain moments happen, not just see them unfold. 3. Tracking both players and the ball at the same time. One of the most powerful features of modern tracking systems is the ability to follow both players and the ball simultaneously. This creates a complete picture of the match rather than isolated information. When a player passes, sprints, or changes direction, the system records it instantly. When the ball moves across the pitch, its trajectory is mapped with extreme accuracy. This allows analysts to understand not just individual actions, but how those actions interact within the full team structure. For example, a single pass can be analyzed in terms of distance, speed, passing lane, defensive pressure, and player positioning all at once. This level of detail was impossible in traditional football analysis. Beyond individual events, the system also builds a continuous flow model of the match. It shows how space is created and closed, how defensive lines shift under pressure, and how attacking patterns evolve over time. Analysts can replay any phase of play with full contextual data, making it easier to identify tactical strengths and weaknesses. Coaches use this information to refine training sessions, focusing on specific match scenarios that are revealed through data patterns. Over time, this improves decision-making, positioning discipline, and overall team coordination at the highest level of the game. 4. AI converts movement into tactical intelligence. Raw tracking data alone is not useful unless it is interpreted. This is where artificial intelligence plays a major role. AI systems process millions of data points during a match and convert them into meaningful tactical insights. These systems can identify pressing patterns, defensive gaps, attacking formations, and transitions between phases of play. Coaches can see how their team reacts under pressure, how quickly they recover shape after losing the ball, and how effectively they create space in attack. Instead of analyzing matches manually after they end, teams now receive live tactical intelligence during the game. This allows for faster decision-making and more accurate adjustments on the sidelines. In addition, AI can compare current match behavior with historical performance data to highlight deviations in strategy or player performance. It can also predict potential outcomes of specific tactical changes before they are implemented. 5. Tracking technology supporting coaching decisions. Real-time tracking has become a powerful tool for coaching staff during high-level matches like the FIFA World Cup. Coaches can now see detailed physical and tactical data while the game is still being played. This includes information such as player fatigue levels, sprint intensity, positional heat maps, and spacing between defensive lines. If a player is overworked or out of position repeatedly, adjustments can be made quickly. This level of insight allows coaching decisions to be more precise and data-driven. Substitutions, tactical shifts, and formation changes are no longer based only on instinct, but supported by real-time evidence from tracking systems. 6. The connection between tracking and broadcast systems. Real-time tracking technology is not only used by teams and analysts, it also plays a major role in modern football broadcasting. The same data that tracks players is used to enhance live match coverage for viewers around the world. Broadcast systems can use tracking data to show player speed, movement heat maps, tactical formations, and distance covered during key moments. This helps fans understand the game on a deeper level beyond just watching the ball. In some systems, tracking data is even used to automate camera angles and highlight key actions. This creates a more dynamic viewing experience where important moments are captured and analyzed instantly without delay. 7. How tracking improves refereeing and match accuracy. Real-time tracking also supports refereeing systems by providing precise positional data. This is especially important in situations like offside decisions, foul analysis, and goal line situations. When combined with VAR and semi-automated systems, tracking data helps officials make faster and more accurate decisions. It reduces uncertainty and provides objective evidence for match-changing moments. Instead of relying only on video replay, referees now have access to structured movement data that shows exactly where players and the ball were at any given moment. This adds another layer of accuracy to modern officiating. 8. The future of fully connected football systems. The future of football tracking is moving toward fully connected systems where everything is linked in one platform. Player tracking, ball tracking, analytics, broadcasting, and officiating are all becoming part of a single intelligent ecosystem. This means a single action on the pitch can simultaneously update tactical analysis, broadcast visuals, referee systems, and performance reports. Football is becoming a fully synchronized digital environment where every movement has instant meaning. As this technology continues to evolve, the game will become even more data-driven, faster in decision-making, and more immersive for fans. However, the human element of football will still remain at the center, with technology acting as a support system rather than a replacement. So, there you have it, how real-time player tracking technology works in modern football. From AI-powered movement analysis to live tactical insights and broadcast integration, this system has completely changed how the World Cup and elite football are understood. At the end of the day, football is still played by humans, but now every movement is measured, analyzed, and enhanced by intelligent tracking systems working silently in the background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more football technology and World Cup explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.